Hello and welcome back to House Build Part 7. If you remember, in the last episode we ran into a little snow. We had to clean off the I-beam, getting ready for the base plate on the I-beam. We got the sill plate all the way around the foundation walls, but you can see there's a lot of ice and some snow along the top of our sill plate and I-beam. We still need to put the board across the top of the I-beam, so we're going to start doing that. We'll use a ram set to fasten the board to the I-beam. Then we can start laying out and nailing in our floor joists and rim board, putting those at 16 inches on center. And we'll put a few subfloor boards down just so that we'll have something to walk out onto while we're putting more boards on, and it adds some stability to the joists. So we'll go through and nail down those boards. We've got a few more joists to put down on the back side also. You can see towards the back there's a little cantilever. That's going to be the bedroom. The bedroom's going to be a little bit wider than the whole house by about 2 feet. So that's where the cantilever comes in. So we're going to work on the stairwell area. So this opening is where the stairwell is going to go, going down into the basement. So we put double boards there, and same thing on the other side of the stairwell opening. And we'll put some support brackets in there to hold those up. You can see we've got quite a few joists put in so far. We can start laying down some of the subfloor just to give us an area to go out and walk on and add some stability to the joist. And we'll continue on adding more and more joists, and put some floorboard down as well. Now you can see on this project we're getting a lot of material, so I've decided to put a 2-camera surveillance system. Now this one is up in the tree and it's powered by a solar panel, and it runs off of Wi-Fi. So it's strapped to the tree up here, and you can see the little solar panel. This one's on the temporary pole, and there's a hot spot there that gives us our Wi-Fi, and this one also has a solar panel that powers it. Although this one's close enough to power, it could be plugged in. I have the hotspot plugged in, so we'll be able to monitor our project as we go, make sure that everything's good. I got a motion sensor hooked up, and we can keep an eye on our supplies. So you can see from the basement we've got some of our braces in place, and a lot of the floor joists are in place now, and then some of the subfloor has also been set into place. So we're going to continue putting more joists up and the cross braces, along with the subfloor. Got our brackets on our stairwell, and you can see we have quite a pile of supplies here, so that's the reason we want to have the cameras, so we can keep an eye on what's going on when no one is here. So we've got a lot of our subfloor done. Put a little railing around the stairwell opening. Got a few more pieces of subfloor to put on, and the rim board from the basement. It's looking pretty good down here. You can see we have our walkout here along with a window for a future added bedroom and our stair opening. So we'll start working on the back bedroom part that's cantilevered. Put some construction adhesive down before we put the subfloor on, and then we can install the rest of the subfloor. Once we get the subfloor installed, we'll just rip down what's left hanging over. So if you like this episode, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Check back for episode 8 of House Build. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.